Well, Juvia just licked her paw for a second and went back into her.
In this viewing area to try it risk-free. Just call 1-800-519-2026.
They would play all day long if you let them.
No.
Yeah, they would.
Juvia runs away. After a while, she stops playing.
So call now. 1-800-519-2026. If lines are busy, please try again. Dark under-eye circles occur because blood leaks out of your capillaries and
Meeka's just taking it right now.
Because you're scratching.
I know she's like, what it hurts.
help erase the appearance of bags and dark circles by repairing the
Pounce.
capillaries.
Kitty pounce.
With younger, brighter-looking eyes. The results are so impressive. Women and men who tried it say it's life-changing. My husband, he can't stop talking.
That's like a level 1 move right
10
now.
years younger.
Kitty pounce.
Dark circles. My
Yeah.
dad has dark circles, but now I don't have to live with them. Well, I used it and wow, the dark circles are gone. I don't look tired anymore. I feel great.
Hydrolyze is so effective at visibly erasing dark circles and fine lines, even doctors say surgery can't deliver such stunning results. And
What are you doing, Meeka?
Hydrolyze is being offered risk-free to this channel's first 100 callers.
She's starting to do it.
Immediately to see if you're one of the first 100 callers and try it before you buy it. Call 1-800-519-2026 for your risk.
Padlock.
If lines are busy, try again. Call 1-800-519-2026. That number is 1-800-519-2026.
You know what value is?
Oh shit.
It's being able to
Full mount.
feel comfortable
Full mount.
at Motel 6 when you visit your relatives instead of staying at their house. Cap the price on that.
It doesn't really hurt
Download
because
Motel 6 and we'll leave the light on for it.
In the grip of arthritis, back, or joint pain, Aspercreme breaks the grip with maximum strength medicine and no embarrassing odor. Break the grip of pain with Aspercreme. And for arthritis strength relief with a no-mess applicator, try new Aspercreme Max.
Juvia is vicious with it.
Burn, smell. You could have foot dermatitis. It's what Gold Bond medicated foot powder was made for. Medicated to tackle the itch, keeps feet dry. Look for the healing seal. Gold Bond foot powder works as hard as your feet.
Until I have a baby, I forgot how soft skin could be. Gold Bond Ultimate Softening Lotion. 7 essential moisturizers plus shea butter for softer, smoother skin. Now it's almost like his. Gold Bond Ultimate Softening. This stuff really works. For extremely dry, itchy skin, you want lasting intensive relief. Gold Bond Intensive Healing Creams, 2 medicines, and 7 moisturizers target the underlying causes of itch and irritation. Gold Bond Intensive Healing. Intensive healing for lasting relief.
You gotta trust me.
I am afraid.
I understand that you're afraid, but I can't help you, your sister, or her daughter unless you trust me. You gotta tell me everything. Now let's start with Peg. How old is she?
I
You're
got
stick
your
your
head.
face in his mouth.
Oh!
15.
Watch the
A
eyes.
baby when Joe and her husband came here.
Oh, I feel like
They
Juvia might scratch out
couldn't
Meeka's
take her on the
eyes.
boat. We saved every penny to bring her to America. And then
Kitten versus puppy.
left and took all our money.
Where's Peg now?
I don't know.
Come on, Hannah told
Oh,
you she
oh,
outpaid the man to bring her over here
got
from China.
him.
Yes, but I don't know
Got
if Ping is
Headlock.
Well,
Headlock.
Meeka, you're so much bigger than her.
So lazy.
She doesn't care. She's like, fuck you.
charged
Lazy ass dog.
$15,000.
Oh,
And
is she
until
gonna get
you
up?
pay
Uh,
off
she's
the
gonna get
debt,
up.
They own you.
These snakeheads.
Armbar. Come on.
Juvia's like MMA pro right now.
You know, Juvia's actually like staying in the fight though. She's not running away and doing her like.
That's because Meeka's not going hard at her yet.
I begged her not to go. I told her that this
Yeah, she's just like,
if
get
you
off
don't
me.
pay her back.
Kitty pounce.
Oh! Got him!
Do you have children, Mr. Stapler?
Jab, jab.
Juvia, you're gonna get nommed on.
Yeah. She's about to get right now.
So like, she's already throwing the weight on her. But she's being lazy.
Come on, sit on her, Meeka.
Murderers. To get the
Hey.
baby back. Think the snakeheads killed you?
She's dead. She can't repay her debt. They kill members of her family first to intimidate her. More like they stash her out in some sweatshop to work off
Yeah.
what she owes. Probably in Chinatown, but nobody there talks to outsiders, especially the police. I'll take a few days, ask around. If it doesn't matter. You
Popper.
language limit you for a cop.
Slap
They got a better idea.
Get serious.
You can't send her out there alone.
I wasn't planning to. I'll go with her.
And they
Yeah,
won't make
eyes.
you for a
I'm
cop.
not going to be doing any questioning. She'll do the talking. I'll play her boyfriend.
I'll do it.
Ms. Wu, that's against our policy. Agent Wong will be handling the investigation.
No, they don't.
You
know
want it,
yet.
yo?
They're not going to tell him anything.
Tell him you want it,
allow a
ho?
civilian to be put at risk.
You want it, ho?
Then I go myself.
Oh!
Sister. She is old.
Oh!
Stop until I find her.
Rolled him.
Why don't we grab a cup of coffee?
Come on, Meeka, fight.
Ooh, tackling her,
If
right?
it gets hairy, I'll yank her out of there.
Yeah.
Safe.
Yeah.
Dangerous.
Yeah.
Apparently, May. She's going with or without us. I'm there. I can protect
Meeka,
her.
you're totally failing right now. Get up.
She wasted too much energy.
Yeah.
Get up.
Good, good.
And Juvia
You
is on
want
like 13 hours of sleep right now.
Ooh.
Hey, that's her ear. Fighting
Play
dirty.
again? Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah.
Go, 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 Meeka, go.
She got total domination right now. Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh, she was gonna get up. Oh, Meeka got hurt.
No, Mr.
Oh, Juvie backed off.
To ask you for your help.
Ready.
My sister and I, we had a stupid
Go.
fight the other day.
So what the hell are you looking at?
I'm not surprised.
I want to say sorry to her, but she's
Uh-oh,
not
bring the
home.
fight, yeah. Bring the fight, yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit, yeah. You want to help? Oh!
No!
Yeah,
Go, get her.
Juvie.
Go, get Meeka.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, the alligator roll.
Uh-oh.
Sit on her.
Yeah. Yeah. You want to help?
Maybe they found out my sister is illegal and locked her
Oh.
up too.
What's up? What's up, yo?
Meeka found a way to counter
Roll.
Check it out after
the roll.
No, I'm going with you.
Listen to me. You're undocumented. I can protect you on the streets, but not from the
Come on. Roll her over.
Yeah. Yeah.
Talk to JFK. He's up to fight
It's
for
like
May.
3-piece, yo.
Okay.
Oh, she's up.
Since the Golden Venture
She's
ran
up.
around
No.
back in
Oh,
No.
shit.
So how did I get them here now?
Gotta keep your head up,
Ran to
Meeka.
Cuba, then take the boat to some small Caribbean island. Then
Oh! Standing.
Yeah. Yeah.
No!
Dominate. Oh, come on. Stop going on your feet. Off your feet.
You still got it in your locker? On check. A pending asylum claim makes it
He's
eligible.
like, I got this.
Yep. $3,000 bond posted last week.
Alright.
By Xiaowu, that's her mother. No,
Got
Wei
it in the
Chan.
corner, bitch.
Don't know that man.
Oh, numbs.
Just gotta tackle her over.
Nah, yo, you should lose points if you get off the carpet.
Juvia got off the fucking
Yeah,
carpet.
she's gone off the carpet plenty of times already.
Yeah, she own it.
No good deed goes unpunished. What do you mean?
The address the ping gave
Back.
immigration.
Oh!
Guess I'm not getting paid. You don't sound surprised. Unfortunately, it happens a lot.
Then why do you do it?
She ain't ready for skills, yo.
Oh, see? Look.
Oh, see? Off the carpet again.
People are entitled to the same
Yeah, but
chance.
come on.
I wish she trusted me. I think she had a good shot at asylum.
On what grounds?
And I got you, sorry.
You guys
Being
pooped?
persecuted for practicing her faith. That's
Wow,
the
so
reason
she's
they got her
never-
green card. Ping's mother
You don't
hired.
mind it.
Nope.
Tell her you don't mind
Yeah,
it. You don't mind it.
go get her.
Give us a call. if
Make
you
her
think
cry.
it's okay? I will. What you want?
My toy.
It's like
That's
my
all she
toy.
wants. That's all she wants. My toy.
Did you find Ping?
Is this like against the law? Like animal fighting?
We'll see if we can put it on YouTube.
Nothing more we can do tonight.
No. First my sister is missing and now my niece.
You get a knock on the door from the government, then yes.
McKenna and Susie are doing family court tomorrow morning at 9
Oh, you just
See?
I'll recommend
failed.
that she be released to you.
Nope, she quit. That's it.
I'll
Game over.
Nope.
Take care of those children.
Twitter.
No, she's stalking her.
I will be there tomorrow.
Come on, get back in the ring.
What are you gonna
Fucking
do?
pussy.